Oh my God, it's amazing, 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 no words.
Absolutely brilliant.
Oh, just mind-blowing actually.
Just exciting and mesmerising. Flawless. I just don't know how to use the words to describe what I've just seen.
All of these dances were amazing, amazing, flawless.
What they did with the clothes and the lightning, that was awesome. I loved it.
I think they're brilliant. I think they're really incredible bodies and amazing energy.
They're amazing, very good.
Absolutely remarkable, beautiful, sweet, fantastic good taste.
The choreography was amazing. The music was amazing. It's meditative, I thought.
It was really great. The dancing was amazing. The choreography was great. Loved all the different rhythms.
It was mesmerizing. They just made me travel to a different place. It was beautiful.
Well, I found it absolutely mesmerizing. There was hypnotizing, and I cannot wait for another show. You know.
I couldn't recommend it more. Really, really good.
It's amazing dance, quality of the artists, incredible, amazing music, everything live, perfect.
It's almost like they've made a new style of dance.
I think it's one of the greatest companies in the world. I think they're so fantastic, and it's so thrilling. It's just mesmerizing.
Contemporary ballet with the classical ballet all mixed was brilliant. I mean, I can talk about it forever, so you better stop me.